Hello and welcome to Loke Talks. This is Dr. Lokesh Bhatia. I will be talking to you about the vital role of vitamin B12 and how much important it is and how the vegans can get in their day-to-day life, how we can prevent the problems being faced by vitamin B12 deficient people, how to address that problem. I'll be talking to you about that. If you have not subscribed this channel so far, do subscribe this channel. So let's talk about vitamin B12 deficiency and what are the sources. So the green vegetables and fruits, these are the best sources. We should be taking in adequate quantity, particularly for vegans. A lot of patients actually did ask me that this is what we are looking for. So what is vitamin B12? The vitamin B12 molecule and its chemical structure, you can see it here. And let's try to understand how does it function. So vitamin B12, which is also known as cobalamin, is a water soluble vitamin which is essential for the production of red blood cells, DNA synthesis and the proper functioning of our nervous system. It also helps to prevent megaloblastic anemia, a condition that makes people tired and weak. So let's now see the importance of vitamin B12. As I said just now, the functions of it. Let's see now why is this vitamin B12 so important. This vitamin helps our body to produce a healthy red blood cells, maintain nerve cells and create DNA, the genetic material in all of our cells. Without sufficient B12, we risk experiencing fatigue, weakness, nerve damage, and even cognitive issues. So the challenge for the vegans is the vegan diet, the staples like fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains, and all these things. For the most of the people, vitamin B12 comes from animal products like meat, dairy products, eggs. However, for those who are following a vegan diet, getting enough vitamin B12 can be a challenging situation since the plant-based foods don't naturally contain the vitamin. So we should be comfortable with taking vitamin B12 supplements. So let's see the signs of vitamin B12 deficiency. What are the signs? How a layman can make out this with the pale skin, holding their head in the pain. So these are the vegans and others at risk of B12 deficiency may experience symptoms like fatigue, weakness, pale skin, heart palpitations and neurologic issues like numbness or tingling in the hands and feet. These signs should not be ignored as vitamin B12 deficiency can have long-term effects on the nervous system. So what are the vegan friendly sources? Let's see the visuals of it. These are the visuals to understand what are the sources for the vegans. Now let's talk about how vegans can ensure they get enough vitamin B12. Fortunately, there are vegan friendly sources including vitamin B12 fortified foods. These include fortified plant-based milk, breakfast cereals, nutritional yeasts and some soya products. Number 2, vitamin B12 supplements. Taking a daily or a weekly B12 supplements is one of the most reliable ways for vegans to meet their B12 needs. So the supplements are highly effective and safe, and a weekly supplementation of 2000 micrograms or a daily supplementation of 50 to 100 micrograms is recommended for most vegans. Now let's understand about the testing and the monitoring of the vitamin B12 levels. Person visiting to a doctor and getting a blood test done, that also should be considered. It's important to regularly check your vitamin B12 levels, especially if you are following a vegan diet. A simple blood tests can determine if you are deficient, and your healthcare provider can guide you on the right course of action if necessary. Let's understand to bust certain myths about the plant sources of vitamin B12, spirulina, mushroom and seaweeds, which you are seeing on the screen. So some believe that the foods like spirulina, mushroom or seaweeds contain enough vitamin B12, but this is a myth. These foods contain vitamin B12 analogues, which are inactive forms of vitamin B12 and don't provide the same health benefits. That's why relying on fortified foods and supplements is the key. So my final thoughts in my today's video is the happy, healthy vegan enjoying a nutritious meal. Incorporating vitamin B12 into a vegan lifestyle is easier than you think. By including fortified foods in your diet and considering a B12 supplement, you can thrive on a plant-based diet and stay healthy. So thank you very much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe and for more health and wellness tips. And remember, your health is your greatest wealth. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.